You haven't been gone anywhere. Where have you been?
The house.
In the house, yeah, but yeah, you're not going out vlogging with me.
No, 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 no.
But today we are just getting out a little bit, getting a little fresh air, and we ran up to the annual Christmas bazaar, whatever they have in Xevera. So we're gonna walk around there a little bit.
Yeah, I'll check it out, the price.
Check it out. Yeah, check prices and other things.
Yeah.
Normally last year they had it back down here on the streets. This year it looks like they moved it off the streets.
Yeah.
And it's back in here.
Yeah. Inside
in there. So we're gonna take a little walk and then we go. We'll walk through here. We'll just walk through here, I guess. I guess. Well, I guess it's not a walk through here. This is like a little store. And here they have vegetable market, fruit market. It looks like they have a little bit of everything back in here. So there's several stores this way. All right, so we'll some beautiful bananas. All right. So let's go. Mostly what they sell here, it look ukay. Yeah. You see this, right? Oh, like 20 peso blouses, jeans jackets, 50 peso.
You can see this one every day. Even if it's not Christmas, you can see it every day.
Yeah, it's cheap for sure. Like 50 peso for a jeans jacket. And sweatshirts, t-shirts. There's a lot of things back here. There's a lot of things back here. And the standard shoes for Filipinos are flip-flops, and I wear that too most of the time, around the house at least. And then we'll just head down this way. Head down here. Check it out. Wow. It looks like a lot of it here. Polo blouses, 50 peso, jackets, like 80 pesos. Yeah. T-shirts, sport shirts. Up here you have a little bit of everything here. And I don't know what they are as far as pricing goes, but hello. But there is a lot. Like this is still also very cheap, 50 peso. Oh, here you have lechon, Casio's Grill. Yeah. Yeah. They have a lot of music in there. Oh, look at this. It's big this year, hon. Huh?
It's like a polo shirt.
Right. Yeah, I didn't know it was this big this year. Look at it. It's incredible. They see us vlogging there, waving. Chicken inasal, Xevera. More shoes, more shoes.
Bulalo, papaitan. Paris, mami, sir. Bulalo, papaitan.
What do you got?
Paris, mami.
Buko juice.
Bulalo, papaitan. Paris, mami.
All right. Yeah, I mean, it looks.
Present for Christmas.
Yeah, you can buy cheap Christmas presents here for sure. Maybe we do that for the kids, you know. They come up here and buy something.
Oh, sandals. I like sandals.
Sandals are fine too. Sandals are fine too. And look at this on the other side there. And toy stores. You got toys. You got a lot of people that have electronics. You know, three for 90. Yeah, $2 for 3 cars, whatever. It's actually.
Maybe when we find 4 cats toy, maybe we can buy.
Yeah, cat toys. Yeah. And then you have a lot of fruit. What happened to these bananas? They
Rotten bananas.
yeah, rotten bananas. 20 pesos only. I wouldn't pay 1 peso for them.
Yeah.
Right?
Look at this shirt, 20 peso. Or 50
Yeah.
peso.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. So,
Small market inside.
yeah, they have
Yeah.
more. It's big this year. It's hello. Yeah, it's really big this year. Surprisingly big. And it's down this way. Okay, so they have a little more food here. Your favorite?
Dried fish.
My wife's favorite, guys. This is her favorite here, right?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Dried fish.
Dried fish.
It's also the fly's favorite.
Yeah, it's because the smell is not enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. And behind here is the actually City Hall building and all that. They're renovating that too. So that's interesting. All right, but we can come back.
We will come by them. My hair brush is
Messy. Yeah,
messy.
yeah, a little bit of everything. Universal remote controls, everything. Light bulbs. You'll find almost anything in here. So that's plenty of vegetables and. I've never been to this. Yeah. Are these stretch? I think these are stretch too. Feels like it.
T-shirt.
They're
50 peso. You want t-shirt?
No, none.
Come on.
I have 100 t-shirts.
Yeah, but
No color t-shirt. Only white.
all your t-shirts is white.
Yeah, I know. My wife don't like me wearing white t-shirt, but that's the only thing I wear. So. Hello. Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Shell.
Congratulations to the company.
So, yeah, it looks good.
35.
35.
35 only, man.
35 only.
One salon.
All right.
Only.
That's a salesman.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Shell. Shell, yeah. So.
Is it your name is girly name?
No. It's not. Here. So let's move down this way and see what we got. Wow. Yeah, it was bigger than I thought this year. New arrivals. The new arrivals, they look like they must have arrived 100 years ago. So many holes in them. But they're nice. I guess that's the style now, right? Is it? All right, so they... What, huh? Right. Yeah, cheap. $2 for a pair of jeans. Right. Shirts, 50 peso. It's cheap. It's good price. It is a good price for sure. And then you have little food stands and other things around here. Food stands. All right, so it's all kinds of music here too. It's all right. It's a lot. It's a lot of the same thing. It's a lot of the same thing. My wife get caught in the perfume area. She likes to get some perfume. All right, so I'm going to keep walking. So I'm going to keep walking down this way. Low-cost jewelry, earrings, and
I need to go back later over there. I
Yeah.
need to buy perfume.
right, okay. Doing her little vlog today, so it looks to me like most of the same thing. We're at the back or front end of this whole thing right now, and you can get your baseball caps and whatnot, everything you got here. Masks, you can buy it here. All right, so that's was the end of the market, but it's kind of cool because in the center of this they put up this food stand, so I figured I'd just take a quick little walk around it and check out. It's the typical stuff. It's fish balls, it's fried chicken. What else do we got? Yeah, there you got fried fish, chicken, chicken. Right, and what do we got here? I think shumai or something. And fish ball is something people eat, walk around with their cups. Up here, it looks like we have some barbecue. Getting ready, and we'll take a quick walk like down here. All right, so this is a little landmark in here in Xevera. They have over the last year or so since they, actually during COVID, this was falling apart. Things were not doing well, and now they bronzed it up. And before it was like white, and it's pretty cool little thing they put in here. It has a little Greek architecture, remembrance, whatever you want to call it, to it. So it's interesting. That's Xevera, guys. And we were talking about Xevera and the other things here before. And across the street, for those who buy up here, this is the main entrance down this way. For those who buy here, there's a shopping center here. This is actually the Mabalacat City Hall. And down there you have Robinson Supermarket, and also where we just visited earlier, behind behind this city hall where we visited earlier, that's the market back there. So they're kind of hiding it into the trees and bushes and things back there. But it's a pretty nice area. They had good intentions, and I think those intentions are now coming to life. Back here is the school that they have, and there's some form of church back in there, and I think this is the school back here. Again, main entrance down that way. And the Great Mall of Central Luzon, that's what they call it. All right, guys, I'm signing off from Xevera. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.